Hey guys, welcome back. I hope your day is off to a great start or whenever you're watching this. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Linda and I would love to have you part of my YouTube family by clicking that subscribe button. Also make sure to click the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload my next video. Today's video is on kitchen organization ideas. I will be deep cleaning and decluttering my kitchen cabinets and drawers. This is something new to my channel which I'm really excited about because I enjoy organizing as much as I do making DIYs. The first thing I'm going to do is empty out this drawer and separate what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to donate. There are things that are in here that I don't use or is unnecessary, for example this can opener. I have 2 of them and it's only going to make clutter, so it's time for it to go. I found these drawer organizers at Costco for only $10 a box. They have them marked down because they're not going to be carrying them anymore, so whatever you see in store is what's left. If you're looking for an affordable way to update your drawers, I highly recommend them and they're such a great quality. I'm so happy with how my drawers turned out. I'm sure we can all agree there's something really satisfying about having a clean kitchen, and not just from the outside but from the inside cabinets and drawers as well. In this drawer I had already purchased the white organizers before I found the gray ones, but I like how they're different, so this looks like a statement drawer with the silver. Anything you see here I'll be sure to leave it linked in the description box. These diamond salt and pepper shakers are from Home Goods. This is the aluminum foil, plastic food wrap, and Ziploc drawer. I had these utensils in here that didn't belong, so I took those out. What a huge difference it makes with organizers, you guys. I took the bags out of the boxes just like they were in the box and set them in each organizer. You can take one out and you're good to go, no need for the box. This was pretty much my catch-all drawer, and I'm going to make a liner out of foam board and placemats from the Dollar Tree. I saw this pretty pattern and thought it would look good in the drawer to make a statement. You can do this to all of your drawers, but I just made one so it really stands out when I open it. I took everything out that didn't belong here and put it in its right spot. I want this to be a drawer where I have pens, a little notebook, and chargers because they can be all over the place if you know what I mean. This little organizer is from Dollar Tree and I added a liner to it just like my other organizers. This is a perfect size for the space I have up top, and I put furniture repair markers in them. Here we have another catch-it-all drawer that I emptied out as well and put everything in its right spot, and this is how it turned out, you guys. This is a perfect time to clean and organize your kitchen if you're home or have free time. I get asked a lot, how do I manage cleaning my home with a 2-year-old and now a newborn? My husband helps me a lot with cleaning, so that's a great help, but when he's at work and I'm here with my babies, whenever they're sleeping is when I get to cleaning. Sometimes that's late at night or before they wake up for the day. It's all about putting in the work and effort to see results, whether it's about having a clean home or anything in life. It will always be worth it in the end when you can proudly check off something on your to-do list. This is my candle drawer mixed with some DIY things, and this is real life, you guys. Sometimes it's not always going to be pretty. That's why I want to show you what this looks like before I put everything in its right spot and organize. I took everything out, removed this clear liner, and cleaned the cabinet so I can add a new liner in it. had these bins in my pantry and decided to move them in here for better organization. Shopping your home is a great way to save money and create a new look by placing it in a different spot. My favorite part is organizing because that's when I really see the results. I'm putting all of my paint, glitter, and rhinestones in these Dollar Tree containers. These little plastic containers are also from Dollar Tree. This is one of my DIY supply cabinets for the small things. I have more of my supplies in the pantry. This was my current under the kitchen sink situation and it was a mess. I had things that didn't belong here that should have been in the garage, like all of these tools. The end results are always so rewarding and it does the heart good to see an organized, clean space. This is a small space cabinet and I wanted to get the best use out of it, so I added this organizer to add all of the things that I use on the daily or what I need more often. I'll leave it linked below. These are all of my plate sets that I took out of the cabinets, and I have things that I don't need, so I donated half of these plates that you see here so I don't have clutter, just practical things. We love hosting, that's why I have a lot of dinnerware. I love collecting plate settings because of the different looks that I can make at the table. Is there something in your kitchen that you enjoy collecting? Let me know in the comments. Another one of my favorite things to collect is drinkware. They add so much elegance to the table, whether it's glam like these or different colored glasses. I got rid of a lot of things in this cookware cabinet that I wasn't using, and it feels so good to open each space to have it organized, and I can take what I need without having to go on a hunt for it. I hope this motivated you to clean out your kitchen and get rid of things that you don't need. I'd love to see pictures of your before and after. You can tag me on Instagram at LGQUEEN Home Decor. I will be back with another video very soon. Let me know if you would like to see a fridge or pantry organization video. That would be fun to share with you guys. I'll talk to y'all very soon. Take care.